Hey everybody, today it's Redfire King 246. I'm just kidding, it's Redfire King. So, we're going to be making a cabin. So what you'll need is all the supplies in my inventory. Okay? So pause the video right now and grab all the stuff you need. Okay, so step one is, it's nighttime for me. To place down the bed 6 in a row. Oh, yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 6, like that. So, and then put it by 5 or 6, your choice. The bigger, the better. I like my house is very small. To me, that makes them special. Okay, and then put a door, 2 doors, actually. Oh, wait. 2 doors. 1, 2. You may think it's not going to be enough space to fit all of this stuff, So we're going to do that. We're not going to fit it all. So we're going to just put the bed right here on the corner. Crafting table at this corner. The double chest right here. List a few. And then the armor stand right here. The furnace right here. Wait, let me grab my stuff. Okay. I'm gonna take out this. Okay. Just grab your armor. I forgot to say, doesn't matter which armor you grab. I just like putting on netherite because netherite's the strongest and everything. So I usually use netherite. Netherite. Netherite is awesome. So put all the stuff that you will need. There's an Enderman watching me. Go away. Okay. Add your armor to the stand. Then add your one weapon. There. Now, do you do that? Let me grab my planks. My planks. No, crafting table. And then we will get more supplies. But for now, we won't be needing more supplies. We're just going to be building the block thing. Make it 4 blocks high and then close it in with a flat top. Make it as tall as you can. So I am going to add windows. Forgot to say. We will add windows. Just not currently. I'm gonna go to sleep so that Enderman stops pestering me because, well, that Enderman is really annoying. Okay. There. And he's still here. Oh well. He'll leave later. Probably. Because Endermen don't. God, why is there 3 Endermen? That's stupid. They're obsessed with my house, aren't they? Well, anyways, don't you worry about those Endermans. I will deal with them later. Like, when I'm done with this house. Those Endermans just like stop. Anyways. Make your house like a kind of like a dome. Like so. Do what I'm doing. Okay. Like I said, this is going to be a two-person house, so do not worry. Let me just mine some of this tree branch. Okay, once their house may be a little dark, because we will add torches. One above the furnace, and one above the one chest. There. Now, put these armor stuff. I'm just going to wear my armor. And then grab some stairs and glass. Make the stairs stone. Okay? Or any other one other than oak. Okay, make them any other wood or any other thing other than oak, because they would add stuff. So add windows wherever you want. I always add mine on either side because, well, that's where most monsters stare at me in my game, maybe not yours. And plus, there's windows over here, so. Okay, now add some stairs, or not like that. Let's see. I will fix this. Okay, put that there. Then basically, from what you have, start building a roof around the circle. Endermen, you guys stop pestering me. Anyways, those Endermen always come. But they're interested. Do you know that Endermen are very dangerous? And here's a fun fact for you. Endermen won't kill you if you're wearing a carved pumpkin on your head. You can actually wear them, or you can just use them to make iron golems. Or you can use them so they don't attack you. Endermen. What I mean is Endermen. Make your house to the top peak to make it look nice and cozy. Nice and cozy, that is it. Nice and cozy, that is it. Nice and cozy, that is it. Okay, after you finish the roof, which I am almost done. For me, roofs are a pain in the butt. Like, to me, they take the longest. Once you're done with that, enter your house. basically mine the top of your house, but not like the outer rim, or else, well, we'll kind of. There should be a top. There should be a top. So, do it like how I am doing it. Ooh, oh. Just don't mind the stone. That's why I chose to use a different color than you needed to. Because then it would be easy to know which block is which. Now, we're going to bunk bed this. So put some oak planks above your bed. And then put the bunk bed on top. Wait, that would be kind of weird. Put it one block on top. Like right here. Actually, no. Okay. I'm gonna patch in this hole. Put your bed right where it needs to be. Like right on top. You can make it higher. You could make the roof higher, but I don't want to. And then this is your double bunked bed, your double bed. Then you have your house. You can add other things that you want, because this is a really nice cabin. I hope you like it. And, oh right, I forgot my chimney. You can add this if you want. Just stick that right there. There, you're good to go. Don't worry if spiders try to get in. They'll just burn to death on the campfire. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, because I really would like you to, because I don't know. I just like people subscribing and liking. So, thank you for watching. Bye!